essentials in the cupboard. Ha! I shoved this big old cup in there just because things in the back kind of wanted to tip over, but seasonings. Man, never have too much garlic. This is more than ground black pepper. It's actually lemon pepper, garlic, salt. And I need to add some more garlic, which somewhere in here is more garlic. Oh, there it is. Plain garlic. Yep. But I have a container for that. Plates are necessary, and lots of napkins and for cleaning. Hold on, be right back. So we have baby George. We love George. George of the jungle. He's so cute. Had him for about 300,000 miles, and I am the 2 million mile cooking chicken cooker. Yeah, that's it. That's what we're doing right now, cooking chicken. Got a timer set and everything. Got some garlic parmesan with Italian herbs. Almost the exact same thing that I have up there in powder. Here's my actual heavy on the garlic, easy on the salt. Lemon pepper, and we've got one already done, one to go, besides the one that's on the grill. And we're gonna slice into that bad boy and check it out. And, yeah, lots of napkins and things because George gets juicy and messy, and it leaks everywhere, and you've got, spend time cleaning it. Cook the chicken, damn it. All right, bye.